Today we are going to do fill the blanks of chapter number 12. So take out your notebooks. ठीक है? अपनी copies निकाल लीजिए. I'm repeating myself. We are going to do today fill the blanks of chapter number 12 in our notebook. ठीक है? I'm going to
Greek ideas and how they spread.
Exactly, chapter number 12. Greek ideas and how do they spread. We are going to do this chapter, right? We have already completed the question answers of this chapter. Have we done this? Am I right, students? We have completed question answers in our notebook. I'm not wrong.
This we have done 5 questions.
Exactly. Now today we are going to do fill the blanks, and we will do it.
Miss of this chapter.
Okay.
Miss, आपकी आवाज थोड़ी कम आ रही है.
I'm saying that we will do this work in our notebooks. ठीक है? Hafsa, Abdul Hazar, Ifra, Umar Siddiqui, kindly switch on your camera. Okay, so today we are going to do this work in our notebook. We are doing fill the blanks of chapter number 12. ठीक है? और अभी जिनके कैमरेस बार बार ऑन एंड ऑफ हो रहे हैं, जिनके ऑफ ऑन नहीं हो रहे हैं, आई एम टेलिंग यू पीपल लास्ट टाइम, switch on your camera, and these cameras will not off now. अब ऑफ नहीं होंगे. So today I'm going to share the PDF page with you. You need to copy this one and we will discuss each blank one by one. Okay. These are the fill the blanks. Everybody can see it?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Miss, हम ये लिखें chapter 12 Greek ideas.
No. Because you have already made the heading, right?
Yes, Miss, title.
You don't need to. You need to continue after question answer.
Fill in the blanks.
Yes, with this date, with this today date. 12th of April.
History copy.
Yes.
Miss, what was the last question of Greek IDs and of chapter 12?
Okay, so everybody switch off your mic first. These are the blanks that we need to do. Please do this in your notebook and we will discuss each blank one by one. Okay. As you all know how to write the whole blank or the whole sentence with the blue pen. When we will fill the blank, we will do with the black pen. Okay? Everyone? So put the, first of all, you need to write the date, put the heading of fill the blanks, and then start working on it in your notebook. Muhammad Danawala, you have just joined right now.
Miss, your voice is so low. I can't hear you clearly.
You always having this issue in my class. You can't hear me properly. Why don't you fix this issue? When you hear your name, definitely you can hear everything in the class, the discussion and explanation. Muhammad Anawala, kindly do copy these fill the blanks in your notebook, in history notebook.
Miss, what?
Do this fill the blanks in your history notebook. You can see that what is written in that Word document on screen sharing, right?
Okay, Miss.
Now you can hear me very clearly, right? Filza, we are doing fill the blanks of chapter number 12 in our notebooks. Okay? So I hope you can see the screen. You need to copy and we will discuss every blank one by one once you all are done with the blanks. Okay? Please do copy fast. Hurry up. Okay, so the first blank is the ancient dash was a great sport event. So what would be the answer? Yes, Ariba Nasir.
Olympic Games.
First of all, yes, Ariba. What was your answer?
My answer is Olympic Games.
Exactly. So we need to write over here Olympic Games. ठीक है? OLYMPIC CGAMES Olympic Games. और ये हम किससे लिखेंगे? With the black pen, right? Now everybody can see this thing, right? After that, the next one is the dash Washington DC, designed by James Hobbit in 1791. Now I can see so many students they have raised their hand. Yes, Rohim. Yes,
The White House.
exactly. The White House. This is the answer for second blank, right? Now I have colored with the black. The next blank is, if we talk about, the dash was the most famous building that built in 433 BC. Let me see in the chat box, especially in over here. Yes, Zayan.
Parthenon.
Exactly. The answer is Parthenon, right? Parthenon was the most famous building that built in. Please switch off your mic. Parthenon was the most famous building that built in 433. Now the fourth blank, Dash was an influential writer and his interest was in medicine. Yes. Let me check. Duai Zehra.
Can you hear
Yes.
me?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
This Parthenon bust was called the father of medicine.
No, what was his name?
This Parthenon bust.
Uh, Anybody else? Yes, Zayan.
Hippocrates.
Exactly.
Hippocrates.
Sorry. Hippocrates. So this is the answer, right? Plato founded the academy, the world's first university in dash. Where? Let me check. Dua Zehra. Okay. Anybody else except Dua Zehra, Zayan, and Rohim? I want
Miss
other
Athens.
people to speak up. कोई नहीं बोल रहा सिर्फ इन तीन स्टूडेंट्स के अलावा मैं आई नो द रीजन सिमरा शेख Filza, Ifra. Speak up on mic. Bushra, if you want to say something, speak up on mic.
This is my answer right in the chat box.
Bushra, what is your answer? Speak up on mic.
Miss Athens.
Athens. ठीक है? So the correct answer is
Athens, miss.
Athens. The sixth blank is the dash is the best known for his theories about geometry. Yes. So what would be the answer? Let me check first. Simra, speak up. Yes, Simra. Simra Sheikh, are you there in the class? You want to say something?
Yes, miss. Miss
Yes.
2 minutes.
Okay. Okay, Ariba, you tell me what is the answer for sixth blank?
Miss, may I?
Who said may I? No, Rohim, wait. Wait for a while. Okay, Abdullah Azhar will tell me the correct answer for sixth blank. Right? Abdullah, you are not finding the answer from your book. You are just sitting empty.
Miss, may I now?
No. Wait for a while. Rohim.
Miss, can I?
Yes, Simra.
Miss Pythagoras.
Pythagoras. ठीक है? The correct answer is Pythagoras. I'm writing with the spelling correctly. Phago. Pythagoras is the best known for his theories about geometry. Okay? The sixth one now, Abdullah will tell me the sixth one. Plato founded his own college, dash. Only Abdullah Azhar will answer. Put your hands down. I can see that you have already raised on Zoom. घर पे खड़ा करने की जरूरत नहीं है, हाथ नीचे कर लें सब.
Miss, can
दिख
you
रहा
see
है
my
मुझे.
answer in chat box?
Wait for a while. Yes. Yes,
It's
Zayan,
correct.
and yes. The, लेकिन before that write the, right? Abdullah Azhar, Huzaifa Zishan, Umar Siddiqui, people are not participating in the discussion. Falak Sher, you have joined very late. May I know the reason? Falak Sher, I'm asking to you.
The Lyceum.
The Lyceum, very nice.
Lyceum.
Yes, this is the college name. So the correct answer is Lyceum.
Miss, हम द नहीं लिखेंगे?
I have written CEUM,
Yes, miss.
but the simple होगा. The last one is the dash is the most beautiful building in the world. Hafsa Nasir, please tell me the correct answer for the last blank. Hafsa Nasir, are you there in the class? Huzaifa Zishan. Okay, those who are not participating, I will not give them remarks, right? Bushra, can you please tell me the last blank? Bushra Ahmed. Are you there in the class, right? Why should I give you 1 minute and 2 minutes? Why don't you people active in the class?
Miss, can I?
No. I can ask anybody else. मैं किसी से पूछ सकती हूँ ना question. So be ready for that. And especially those students they are not switching on their cameras. Kindly switch on your camera first. Mohammad Umar Siddiqui, Huzaifa Zishan, Filza, Bushra, I'm waiting for you. Huzaifa Zishan, kindly keep your camera on. Yes. And now this camera will not turn off,
Miss,
right?
can I tell the answer of the last one?
Miss, can you check my answer in the chat box?
I have seen it. Bushra, please tell me the answer for the last blank. Anybody else?
Miss, can I tell?
Sure. Dua.
Miss, can I tell?
Dua is Zahra.
Miss Taj Mahal.
Exactly. The Taj Mahal.
Miss, the answer is in page 64.
Now everybody can see all the answers, right? These are the flimsy blanks of chapter number 12 we have done today in our notebooks. I hope everybody has done. Whenever whenever I'll ask you to upload an LMS, then you have to do that. Okay?
Miss,
Okay,
can you
miss.
repeat?
I'm saying whenever I'll ask you to upload this work on LMS, तो आपने upload करना होगा.
Okay.
Okay, miss.